Hello everyone, welcome back to Financial Hub. Today I'm going to guide you on how you can log into your Chase Bank mobile banking account. For that, make sure you already have the application on your device. Here we can see option like sign in, sign up, open an account. But as we have already signed up, all we need to do is log in. So enter your username. You need to enter your password. After you are done entering your password, you can also use token if you have any token. You can also choose the option remember me so that the next time you log in, they won't be asking you your identification or your password. Likewise, if you have forgotten your password or your username, you can simply tap on the option forgot username or password. Here they will be asking your identification so that they can help you get your account back, like your social security number or your tax ID, likewise your account card or your application number. After you are done writing your identification, you can tap on continue and they will guide you for the further process to help you recover your Chase Bank account. And if you have your username and your password ready, then you can simply tap on sign in and you will be signed in to your Chase Bank mobile banking account. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.